Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Today, we explore the psychology of sound, how vibrations shape our perception, emotions, and reality. Sound is more than something we hear, it's something we feel, something we are. From our heartbeat's rhythm to moving melodies, sound is integral to our existence. Join us as we delve into sound's fascinating world and its impact on our lives. From the pulse of a beating heart to the hum of the universe, everything vibrates. These vibrations shape our thoughts, emotions, and well-being. Sound and vibration profoundly influence our reality. What if sound is more than just a passive experience? What if sound, light, and color unlock deeper awareness and transformation? Imagine a world where sound, light, and color transform our being. Sound is vibration. These vibrations travel through the air as waves of energy. When these waves reach our ears, they are converted into electrical signals. This process allows us to perceive everything from rustling leaves to roaring thunder. Low frequencies create deep, powerful sounds like thunder rumbling. High frequencies create sharp, crisp tones like a whisper in the wind. These sounds can be soothing or startling. What happens when these waves reach the brain? Tiny hair cells translate vibrations into electrical signals. These signals fire into the auditory cortex, where the brain processes meaning and emotion. The brain integrates these signals, creating a rich tapestry of sound perception. Bonder gap threes. Recent advancements in sound wave technology have revolutionized various fields. From medical imaging to communication systems, sound waves are being harnessed in innovative ways. One groundbreaking application is in medical ultrasound. High-frequency sound waves create detailed body images, aiding in precise diagnosis and treatment. Focused ultrasound is also used for non-invasive surgeries. This allows surgeons to target areas with pinpoint accuracy, reducing recovery times. In communication, sound wave technology enhances audio clarity and efficiency. Noise-canceling headphones filter out background noise for a clearer listening experience. Researchers are exploring acoustic levitation, manipulating objects with sound waves. This has applications in material science and manufacturing, handling materials without contact. These advancements showcase the incredible potential of sound wave technology, opening new doors for innovation. Cymatics, gap threes. Beyond the tangible advancements in sound wave technology, there's a deeper philosophical dimension to consider. Sound and vibration are not just physical phenomena, they are fundamental forces that shape our consciousness and perception of reality. Throughout history, various cultures and philosophies have posited that the universe itself is composed of vibrations, a cosmic symphony where every particle resonates in harmony. From the ancient Indian concept of Nada Brahma, the idea that the universe is sound, to the modern string theory in physics, which suggests that the fundamental building blocks of reality are vibrating strings. The notion that sound is intrinsic to existence is both profound and pervasive. These vibrations are thought to influence our mental states, emotions, and even our spiritual experiences. Consider the practice of chanting or the use of mantras in meditation. These practices harness specific frequencies to alter consciousness, induce tranquility, and foster a sense of interconnectedness with the universe. Similarly, the rhythmic patterns in music can evoke a range of emotions from joy to sorrow, illustrating the power of sound to touch the deepest parts of our being. As we delve deeper into the science of sound, we begin to see its philosophical implications. Sound and vibration are not merely tools for technological advancement. They are the threads that weave the fabric of our reality. They remind us that we are all part of a larger vibratory field of existence, interconnected and resonating together in the grand symphony of life. This exploration of sound and vibration opens up new avenues for understanding the nature of consciousness and reality. It challenges us to think beyond the material world and consider the unseen forces that shape our experiences and perceptions. Gap 3s. In the next chapter, we'll delve into how sound and emotion are intertwined, exploring why certain melodies can evoke powerful feelings and memories. Ancient Greek philosophers like Pythagoras believed in the music of the spheres, where celestial bodies create a form of music through their movements. In modern times, sound healing practices using instruments like Tibetan singing bowls have gained popularity for their therapeutic effects. Nature itself is a symphony of sounds, from the rustling of leaves to the crashing of waves, each contributing to the vibratory field we live in. Even in the vastness of space, scientists have discovered that cosmic phenomena produce sound waves, reinforcing the idea that the universe is a grand symphony. Research shows that sound waves can synchronize brain waves, enhancing cognitive functions and emotional well-being. Therapeutic applications of sound are being explored in various fields, from mental health to physical rehabilitation. Emerging studies suggest that sound waves can even influence our DNA, opening up new possibilities for medical science. Ultimately, the philosophy of sound and vibration invites us to see ourselves as part of a larger, interconnected vibratory field, resonating together in the grand symphony of life. And Gap 3s. As we journey into the realm of sound, we encounter its intriguing role in quantum physics. Quantum mechanics, dealing with particles on an atomic and subatomic level, reveals astonishing insights about reality. One fascinating aspect is how vibrations may influence the quantum world. In this realm, particles like electrons and photons exhibit wave-like properties, described by wave functions. These wave functions are vibrations, oscillating at specific frequencies. This aligns with the ancient notion that the universe is composed of vibrations, suggesting a deeper connection between sound and reality. Recent experiments show that sound waves, or phonons, can interact with quantum particles. For instance, sound can control the state of qubits, the basic units of quantum information. By tuning the frequency of sound waves, scientists can manipulate qubits' energy levels, paving the way for advanced quantum technologies. Moreover, the study of quantum acoustics, the intersection of sound and quantum mechanics, opens new possibilities for exploring the universe. Some theorists propose that sound waves could probe space-time itself, potentially unlocking new dimensions of understanding. These ideas are still in their infancy, but they hint at a future where sound could unravel the deepest secrets of the cosmos. As we explore the connections between sound, vibration, and the quantum world, we stand on the brink of a new frontier in science. The interplay between these forces may reveal new principles of physics and lead to groundbreaking discoveries that could transform our understanding of reality. Gap threes. In the next chapter, we'll delve into how sound and emotion are intertwined, exploring why certain melodies can evoke powerful feelings and memories. Additionally, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles become interconnected regardless of distance, may also be influenced by sound waves, opening new avenues for quantum communication. As we harness the power of sound in quantum networks, we could revolutionize the way we process and transmit information. The universe, resonating with sound, holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we continue this exploration, the potential for new discoveries is boundless. The future of quantum sound technology promises to transform our understanding of reality itself. A simple melody sparks nostalgia. A sudden noise triggers fear, and a rhythmic beat makes us move. Sound evokes deep emotions, shaping our experiences and memories. Our perception of sound is influenced by sight and context. The McGurk effect shows that what we see changes what we hear. The cocktail party effect lets us filter noise and focus on voices. Sound isn't just heard, it's experienced. Our brains interpret vibrations, creating rich auditory experiences. This process shapes our reality, making sound powerful in our lives. Music is a powerful form of human expression, but why does it affect us so deeply? From heartbeats to melodies, music connects with our emotions profoundly. It can make us feel joy, sadness, excitement, or nostalgia, often all at once. It all comes down to frequency, harmony, and rhythm. Major chords create happiness and resolution. Minor chords evoke sadness or mystery. Dissonance creates tension. Rhythmic patterns sync with our heartbeat. Music's rhythm aligns our brain waves. In a symphony, harmony and rhythm create an immersive experience. Movie composers like Hans Zimmer and John Williams use music to manipulate our emotions. A single note can make an audience weep or shatter their nerves. These composers, like Ennio Morricone, create unforgettable cinematic experiences. Their iconic scores have left an indelible mark on film history. Music is a universal language. It transcends borders, connects us, evokes emotions, and tells stories without words. What if sound could heal? Used for centuries, from ancient chants to modern sound baths, vibrations resonate with our bodies, aiding stress relief and well-being. Science shows sound waves affect brainwave activity, cellular vibration, and DNA repair. Sound healing promotes physical and mental well-being. Techniques like sound baths, tuning forks, and chanting harness these vibrations. Binaural beats Two frequencies played at slightly different pitches can synchronize the brain, inducing deep relaxation or heightened focus. This phenomenon is used in meditation, therapy, and to improve sleep quality. Ancient cultures knew this. From Tibetan singing bowls to Gregorian chants, sound healing has existed for centuries. Egyptians used sistrums in rituals, while Native American shamans employed drums to connect with the spiritual realm. Modern research confirms that certain frequencies affect the brain and body. 40 Hz is linked to cognitive enhancement and memory. 432 Hz promotes harmony and well-being. 528 Hz, the love frequency, aids DNA repair. Researchers are exploring these frequencies to unlock their potential. And then there's Cymatics, the study of how sound shapes matter. Sound waves create intricate geometric patterns in water or sand. This suggests sound structures reality. Could the right frequency reset the body and mind? Cymatics shows sound can be seen, felt, and experienced. Imagine harnessing sound to heal and transform. Sound isn't isolated, it's connected to light and color. These elements interact, shaping our perception of the world. Think of a rainbow. Each color corresponds to a wavelength of light, like each musical note to a sound frequency. The spectrum of colors in a rainbow is like the range of notes in music, creating sensory symphonies. A rainbow is a visual delight, music and auditory pleasure, both enriching our world. Some people experience synesthesia, where sound triggers color perception. Musicians like Jimi Hendrix and Pharrell Williams see music in vivid colors. This phenomenon can also manifest as tasting shapes or feeling sounds. Synesthesia offers a unique multisensory experience. In film and design, color psychology works like music. Red excites, stimulating passion. Blue calms, bringing peace. Yellow energizes, evoking happiness. Purple evokes mystery, sparking creativity. What happens when we combine light, sound, and frequency? The answer lies in vibrational medicine, where colors and sounds restore balance to body and mind. This holistic approach taps into natural frequencies, promoting healing and well-being through vibration. Use music intentionally in daily life. Play upbeat rhythms to boost energy and elevate your mood. Listen to ambient tones to focus and enhance productivity. Use binaural beats to relax and prepare for sleep. Second, surround yourself with color wisely. Blue light enhances focus but disrupts sleep. Use filters on devices. Red stimulates passion or aggression. Use it mindfully. Green soothes and boosts creativity. Add it to your workspace. Yellow uplifts mood but can cause anxiety. Balance it. Explore vibrational tools. Experiment with sound baths and harmonic frequencies. Use meditation tones to align your mindset. Try tuning forks, singing bowls, and crystal bowls. Notice the shifts in your energy and mood. Achieve deeper relaxation and awareness. We are beings of light, sound, and vibration. Understanding this helps us shape our lives. Light illuminates our path, sound resonates with our emotions, and vibrations connect us to the universe. Embracing these elements deepens our understanding of ourselves and the world. Sound is not just an external force. It is woven into the fabric of our being. It influences our thoughts, emotions, and physical state. It connects us to the world and each other, shaping reality itself. Sound resonates within us, echoing through our core. It has the power to heal and elevate our consciousness. From our heartbeat to nature's melodies, sound is a universal language. From the heartbeat of the earth to the symphony of the cosmos, everything vibrates with meaning. Stars, galaxies, and cosmic waves contribute to this grand universal orchestra. Each vibration and frequency tells a story, weaving our reality in a cosmic dance. The question is, how will you use sound? Will it be for relaxation, creativity, or something else entirely? This has been Sonic Sciences, where we explore the realms of vibration, psychology, and human awareness. Until next time, keep listening, keep exploring, and stay curious about the sounds shaping our world.